Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to update your relationship status on Facebook to engaged using your PC. Whether you're celebrating a new chapter in your life or just want to keep your profile up to date, this guide will make it quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Facebook's website at facebook.com. Log in with your account credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, locate the About section. You'll find it just below your cover photo or within your profile tabs. Click on it to access more details about yourself. Next, scroll down or navigate to the Family and Relationship section. This is where all relationship-related details are stored. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. Here comes the fun part. Next to your current relationship status, you'll see a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this icon to open the editing menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Engaged as your new relationship status. If prompted, you can also tag your partner or adjust the privacy settings to control who can see this update. Finally, double-check everything and click Save. Your profile will now proudly display that you're engaged. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've updated your relationship status on Facebook to share this exciting news with friends and family. Don't forget to celebrate this milestone offline too. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and share it with others who might need a little help navigating Facebook's features. See you next time.